Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey. You see your girl is doing a hair video. Yes, my hair is tied up. Got some cranberry and ginger ale in that cup, okay? So, starting off, just untie my hair. I already had my hair in the parts that I needed. I do think that I took out too much hair. Yeah, I braided the back up, for the quick weave. So now I'm like pinning the hair away so I don't get it when I do the cap and the quick weave method. So you see, that's what I'm doing right here.
You don't have shit to say to me. I ain't got shit to say to you. and that's true. And stepped on.
So right here, I'm trying to stretch out the black cap because it was a bit too small. You know what I'm saying? I was afraid it was not gonna fit. So I'm over here trying to put it as best as possible on top of my head. Again, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I did it or how I tried to achieve it. You know what I'm saying? So boom, it's on. Now I was using the protective shield in the color black. This is used for quick weave, so I was like, I'm gonna use this. And I wasn't trying to keep this hairstyle in for too long, so. But here's the problem: I just couldn't see the back of my head, and so I had to use that handheld mirror and try my best to getting the braids. So yeah, just applying the protective shield onto the area of the braids until I was satisfied. Here you see me checking to see if I got the areas right, if I got all the spaces, and no, I did not. So like I'm checking to see where my braid ended. I'm like, okay, cool. I gotta go back up a little bit, just a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? It's good to do this to check. If you don't have a double mirror like me, like it's good for you to check. So here I go applying more because I felt like it wasn't enough on my head. Just blow drying it, just blow drying it so it could dry, so it could fully dry, so I could start applying these tracks. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Taking my time and blow drying it. I think I blow dried my hair on cool and not hot, because I didn't want all that heat. Either warm or cool. I can't remember. Okay, so I use about 3 packs of the 30 inches. I wasn't trying to go for 30 inches, but I feel like for 30, I feel like you probably need like one more maybe. Because it's like, how 30 inches is. 30 inches is long and thin. So here I am cutting the black cap as to where it's not touched with the protective shield because the protective shield is sticky. I'm cutting where I need to. I did do a mistake. I cut a little bit more than I needed. So now I'm taking down my first bundle. Look at it swaying. Swaying pretty good for some pack hair, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm measuring the track in the back of my head just to see how far and how big I need it. It's pretty self-explanatory, so yeah. So now I'm going in with the colored bundle that you saw. The colored bundle that I had was already highlighted, so it kind of gave my hair more of a highlighted look. That's what I was really trying to achieve. But if you do, you put your color bundle, then the regular color to give that highlighted look that you're going for. So I was really hyped. Look at me. Do make sure that you are brushing your bundles, because I realized that it could get tangled really quickly. But that is a quick hot tip I could give you guys. Oh, ooh, ooh, look at the length, look at the length, look at that. Hold on. Yeah. So yeah, do make sure you are brushing through the hair because it does tangle quickly. So quick tip. I'm not too sure if I mentioned, but yeah, as I was doing it, I used the colors 2 and this other color called BH Caramel. So the way I did it was 2 rows of the 2, and then I would add 1 row of the BH Caramel, then 2 more rows BH Caramel, 2 more rows BH Caramel, because I didn't want too much of the color, but I wanted like a little peekaboo. You get me? Now let's really get into the hair. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Nah, I was really feeling myself now. Look at this swaying. Ooh, ooh. So now I was going in just to make sure my parts were straight and I like the parts that I did. So yeah, I was going in there cleaning it up a little bit, trying to see, you know what I'm saying? So I just left it as it is because I was running out of time. Okay, I was rushing, but it still turned out for the best. So now I'm just trying to see if, like, if the slicking is right. So now I'm flat ironing the front of my hair. I do have heat protector on my hair, so therefore that's why the steam is going. So I ain't really frying my hair. Okay, I made sure to apply some heat protectant to my hair because so yeah, but before this I blow dried my hair and then I flat ironed it so I could really get that sleek look in the front. And now I'm doing the other side, same thing. Oh, and another thing that I forgot to do, you see the area where I did the quick weave or whatsoever, and the ponytail where you see my hair is braided, I forgot to leave out a little part to cover the tracks. But either way, it still worked out. So I was rushing, so I dead forgot to part off some hair to cover that part of the tracks. But I figured, that I'm gonna do the claw clip half up, half down. The half up is gonna fall directly on top of the tracks to cover it. So which it did. So either way. But here I am, slicking it, looking at it, bumping. It's going well. So yeah. To slick the front part up, I use Got To Be spray. I just sprayed it. So like I slicked the hair back and then I separated my little baby hairs and I sprayed my hair. So my hair is already laying flat so it could lay even flatter when I go back in it with the comb. So yeah, that's what I did. I used got to be, and here I'm tying the two ends in the back of my head and then drying it completely so it could really slick down. um my best trick is to really go in with that blow dryer and really like pass your hand so you could really flatten it out to get it really flat. If you're doing this by yourself, it is great to have a helping hand. Here, my cousin was helping me hold the rest of the hair because, the hair was long. So I was actually tying the hair with my hair. So here, I just needed to really tie my hair flat because she was telling me one part was a little looser than the other. So I was like, yeah, let me go in and try. So now we about to get into this ponytail. Now, if you're not like me rushing and you're taking your time, yes. My ponytail part, it was sleek, but it wasn't as, there she go in the camera. It wasn't as sleek as I wanted, but it still worked out for the best. So I say take your time and flat iron by section by section. It don't necessarily do big sections, but you know. So after my attempt of slicking it up, now I'm braiding it back up again. So yeah, this is the preparation for the ponytail. Now, this is my first time ever doing a ponytail myself. Honestly, this is my first time ever trying this hairstyle. So I was just following along to the videos that I watched or the instructions I got. As you can see, I'm watching a YouTube video while I'm doing it. Shout outs to her. I did forgot her name, but I could, yeah. I was watching how she did the ponytail because I was dead confused on how to, because I was about to put the hair backwards. But yeah, here we go. I'm doing like the same trend I was doing on the back of my quick weave. So the trick I learned was, instead of trying to put the glue on the track, I could just put the glue on the paper, instead. As you can see here, I'm trying to cut the little ponytail that I had, cut it shorter than I had. For this reason, just to cut it shorter so it could like lay better as a half up, half down. And then I'm trying to use a claw clip. Preferably this claw clip was not working out. As you can see, I'm doing it over and over and over. It just wasn't holding how I wanted it to. So I think you need like a really big claw clip. Like, yeah, a bigger claw clip. It still worked out in the end, but my cousin is gonna come and help me in the next clip. You're gonna see I've been struggling. Honestly, you really just have to keep gauging and playing around with the hair to see how you want it, because I really wanted it to fall on my face. Like, I wanted to fall. Like, how it looks right now, it wasn't too bad. So I got my cousin to help me. So really, with the half up part, you just gotta really like play around with it and see how you would like it. So here, her trick was, she put it in like a ponytail kind of, so I wouldn't have to worry about keeping it held, if that makes any sense. So she made like a little ponytail, so I know that you just put the claw clip on that part and it would just fall better. Like, it would give it more of a up, I don't know how to explain it, but it would give it more of a up look when you put the claw clip. You're gonna see. So right here, I'm using a thinning shears. I'm I'm just trying to thin out the hair because I was given the advice that would make the hair flow better. So it wasn't really working out, but you know. But my cousin was coming inside the room. That's why this camera keep moving back and forth. But you're gonna see the outcome. I'm gonna do my baby hairs. I know I wanted to do dramatic baby hairs, but I didn't leave out a lot of hair, so this is the most baby hairs I could do. Okay, this is the end of the video. As you guys can see, I'm still playing around with the hair, trying to gauge it into my liking. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and also comment down below what other videos you would like to see me do, what other hairstyles you would like to see me try. And this is the look after I beat my face. This is how it turned out. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.